Hi, my name is Brianna Morano, and I applied to Jefferson's fall 2025 term with the intent to pursue nursing. After watching the video, I found the most meaningful moment to be when Jaden Libby was struggling to turn over in his bed. This moment really represented his struggle to do such simple tasks after his injury, and it really opened my eyes to the kinds of injuries that I will be helping people work through as a nurse. So, as a nurse, I would be helping Jaden with his health immediately after his injury, as he was originally recovering in the hospital. So, I would be responsible for administering medications, maintaining IVs, and just making him feel as comfortable as possible in such a strange and scary setting that I could never imagine myself to be in. This moment really opened my eyes to the fact that as a nurse, I will be fully responsible for very important key factors of a person's health and their recovery, that even such small factors can play a very large role in a person's recovery overall. So I can see myself helping people just like Jaden recover and work through such difficult medical issues. What originally sparked my interest in Thomas Jefferson University was the kindness and warmth that I received from nurses at Thomas Jefferson University Hospital while I was visiting my father in 2023. So during the short time that I'd spent visiting before my father's death, I witnessed nothing but immaculate care. The nurses were on time with medication administrations. They were always delicate when inserting IVs, and they really took the time to talk to my father and make sure he was comfortable with the procedures that they were about to perform. And they even talked to my mom and I. They made small talk with us, and each nurse that we saw, because it was normally a different nurse every time we visited, each nurse we were able to connect on a personal level and just understand the people that would be taking care of my father. So these qualities are what I now strive to have as I transition into college life and eventually become a nurse. So as for the many other occupations involved in Jaden's care, I want to focus on the role of a dietitian. So in Jaden's case, nutrition may not be a first priority or a first thought. However, he may be more concerned with his physical abilities and strengthening his muscles. However, nutrition plays a big role in the strength of your body's muscles. So this is something that I have learned from taking courses such as Human Body Systems and AP Biology or AP Chemistry. And I'm very interested in these topics. So a dietitian would have to ask Jaden what kinds of foods he ate before his injury and determine whether his diet was nutritious or not. They would have to see what he's used to eating, what he likes eating, and they would just have to create a collective meal plan that best fit Jaden's personal needs as well as his nutritional needs. So Jaden would require foods such as lean meats, low fat dairy products, fruits and vegetables, and whole grains. So a dietitian's duty would be to comprise a plan that incorporates Jaden's needs and his personal preferences. Dietitians would also be in charge of deciding whether Jaden needed additional supplementation or supplements to make up for missing nutrients. And I think that overall, a dietitian's role in Jaden's treatment seemed overlooked, so that's why I decided that it should be analyzed a little deeper. And I think that a dietitian's role is very, very crucial. Just to close things out, I believe that Jaden's injuries require an interprofessional care team, a healthcare team. This gives healthcare workers the opportunity to work together in ways that they may have not ever thought that they would work together in such specific cases. And this really shows that the world of the medical field is so nuanced and so complex, and there's so many different ways that different jobs can intersect and collide and combine to create a beautiful healthcare plan for each specific patient that comes into a hospital or anywhere. So I can say that I have learned a lot from this experience, and I hope someday to be a nurse who can provide patients like Jaden with beneficial and efficient care. Thank you.